Okay, so I've come up here and it looks like you can buy tickets inside, but they're not open and they won't be open till 11. So now I have a whole nother hour to wait because it's just barely 10. So, and they may not even be able to assist me, but they might be able to give me some information on what I'm trying to get. So we got the Red Lizard over here. Looks like they selling tacos and hamburgers and burritos and taquitos and stuff like that. Hi, how you doing? So doesn't look too bad. I'm just looking. Thank you. So in the meantime, I'm going to see about getting a phone. So let's go to the cyber area, cyber zone as they call it here. Quick question.
Yes, sir.
If I wanted to buy a cell phone, where would I go?
Cyber zones are one floor down.
One floor down?
Yes,
that way, that way?
That way, same.
Let's go that way. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, like I said, cyber zone. Here we come. Football fields minimum. Okay, there it is, cyber zone up ahead. Have no choice, you know, because you're trying to contact people. You don't want to use your by the time you make phone calls with your normal phone and they're charging you 25-30 cents a minute, and that's even with a plan, you're going to be out of more than what it would have cost you just to get the phone. Hey, I might have to come here. It looks good. They cook it for you in the back?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I might be back. And it's by the pound? You weigh it? Is that how you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, thanks. see no cyber zone, y'all. Oh, there it is. It's got a cyber zone right there. Found it. I don't know what the heck this is, but the following services, Cebu City Hall, are temporary offered here. SM Cebu. So, just need to find a phone. Just need a real simple phone, nothing major. Okay, you guys, I'm here in Cyber Zone in Cebu City Mall, SM Cebu City Mall, and this is the phone I'm gonna get, I believe, and I'm paying 1,990 pesos for it. Reason being is I really don't need a really super phone. I'm just using this thing while I'm here, and it's gonna cost me about $40. So it is a smartphone. So just to make basic phone calls and stuff like that. So that's all I need it for. Okay. So she was nice enough to help me, and then she says when I buy the phone here, I go over to Junrex and I buy load. How much does load cost? Or varies? Is it expensive? No? Okay. All right. So I'll go ahead and buy that. I just wanted to, and I'm gonna use my card, okay? She taking all my money, y'all. Taking all my money. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Okay, I'm come over here and alrighty. Cut this off and take care of business. Talk to you guys later. Okay, you guys, they are really getting revved up for this Cinelog. Is coming along really well. I'm gonna go downstairs and check out some of the stuff that they have available. So finally got the phone, which I could have brought a phone from the US, but no biggie. I got a nice smartphone for 60 bucks US. It cost me 2,900 pesos. So not bad for a smartphone that I could use while I'm here to avoid those costs. I did add a plan for from AT&T, but man, they're a ripoff. I'm just putting it out there. So I got a load. It's gonna last me all week. Unlimited calls, unlimited internet for 7 days for total of about $6. So can't beat that. So the AT&T plan I got, they gave me 2 gigabytes, and they wanted 70 bucks for that, and they're still charging me 25 cents per text, and it's just ridiculous. So that phone is on airplane mode.